with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hey guys, so in this video I will take you guys with me. We're gonna do a weekly reset. My husband will be going to Costco and grab some stuff, and we're gonna be cleaning downstairs and restocking the pantry and the fridge. And yeah, so first let's just clean my bed, let's fix it up, and then we'll jump right in. Hey guys, so I am really digging this new outfit. It's very nice and comfy and thin, and it's oversized, so it's really nice and pretty. This costs like I think $50 MRS, what do you call it? I don't know, MSRP I believe. But I got it from Marshall's and it was like $16, and I just love it. And I'm just matching it with the biker shorts that I got from Amazon, and this is a good outfit for the day for doing a lot of cleaning and errands. So not really errands, but a lot of housework, because I want to do a weekly reset with you guys, and we're gonna be doing some Costco haul a little bit, and we're gonna be restocking some the pantry and the fridge, and we're gonna just clean and organize everything downstairs, because I want this coming week to be smooth and easy and clean, because I lost my babysitter, and that's a different story. But I want everything to be nice and clean and organized downstairs, so that this whole week with the kids while working downstairs will be nice and easy and smooth going. So that's what we're going to be doing today in this video. What do you guys think of this outfit? I love it. And guys, I keep saying downstairs because I have to clean downstairs, because upstairs is already clean. This weekly reset takes 2 days for me to actually finish. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of upstairs, how clean it is for now, and I hope this week will stay clean. But with 2 kids, that's kind of difficult, you know. So I'm gonna share with you guys some time speed, I think that's what you call it. So yeah, let's go, and then we'll jump right in downstairs. Okay guys, and now we are downstairs. I hope that time speed, it's actually not a time speed, it's called time shift. I hope that was cool enough. I don't know, I thought it was cool. I just wanted to test it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I just forgot something to match with this cute outfit. I'm actually using this, I don't know if you guys can see that right there. This is from Bath and Body Works, and it's called Midsummer Dream. This smells so good. I don't like sweet stuff, like the smell of sweet perfume. I'm not that type of girl. But so far this one is kind of sweet, and I just love it. I just enjoy it, and it's really good. It's like, it smells so good and fresh and airy. So yeah, but first I want to show you guys, we're gonna be doing the stairs because it's very dirty, and I've been wanting to clean it and wipe it, like the glass, because the kids always messes it up. But that's what we're gonna clean first.
You were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. inside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.
Guys, I just want to show you how our weather here in Nevada right now. Look how windy it is. I don't know if you can tell it from the video, but man, it's so gloomy and dark. I wish it's a day of nice and bright day, but so far today they decided to be gloomy and windy. So we're gonna be filming in this type of weather today.
We just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind.
Okay guys, so here's the after shot. It's finally nice and clean for this weekend. I mean this week that's coming by. This is what I was cleaning earlier. It was just dirty in the bottom and also this part right here. But now it is clean. So far this bathroom is done. And my husband just got home from Costco. He didn't really get that much because we still have a lot, I believe, in the fridge, food wise. So he just got like the snacks. My daughter really loves this and I love it too. And they always eat the nuggets in the morning. And then we got some water, some detergent, and the Honest Kids. And like I said, we have a lot of meat, but I just wanted the chicken thighs. And we're going to be making a lot of homemade food for this week. Hopefully, that's the goal. And my husband loves the Lee's coffees. And if you guys love Lee's coffees, try to get it at Costco because they're a lot cheaper than getting it at the store. And also we got some panda snacks for the kids, Gatorade for my husband's work. And yeah, and I'm also drinking some wine because why not? The weather is not so great and it's rainy, but it's time to relax, you know. I don't know what wine, this is what the wine that he got from Costco. I'm not sure, I'm not familiar with it, but so far it's really good. It's only what, $6, and I think that's about it. And then we're gonna clean the fridge, organize it, and the freezer as well because they're a mess. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Oh, actually he got 2 waters and a rice, and he gets the jasmine rice because he loves white rice. And we're gonna pretty much just clean up a bit and stock up some snacks. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna go to Sprouts tomorrow and get some more food wise to cook for this weekend. I mean, I keep saying weekend, this week that's coming by, because I want to make a list of the recipes that I want to make this week and go to Sprouts and buy more groceries from them, and then stock up more food in the fridge and the pantry for tomorrow. That will be a continuous thing to do. But for today, yeah, because this weekly reset that I'm doing with you guys, I just want the whole house to be nice and clean, food stock up pretty much, and and just doing all the household chores because it's gonna be busy because I work from home and I have to make calls to the patients and stuff like that. So it's not like a job where I can like stop and do things here and there and clean here and there. I can't do that. I have to be really productive. But now that I lost the babysitter, I'm taking care of the kids as well while working. So I want it to be as smooth as possible for this week. And so that's why I want to take you guys with me to this weekly reset. But yeah, right now we're gonna pretty much put all the things that my husband got from Costco and then stock up some stuff in the fridge, organize it, and the pantry, and it will be a continuous thing tomorrow. But I don't think I'm gonna film that tomorrow, just because that's my last day off and I just want to go through it fast and easy, fast pretty much. So let's go jump right in.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Hi guys, so I just want to share some Bible verses for healing because in this time of season, most of us need healing in different ways, and I just want to share some Bible verses for our healing, and I pray that in Jesus' name, whatever healing you need, that you'll be healed, and that you just call upon him and ask for his healing and you will be healed in Jesus' name. So here's the Bible verses for you guys. Jeremiah 30:17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Psalm 32. Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
And guys, I know my voice sounds like a man right now. It's because I feel like I'm getting a cold or something, but I know it's just an allergy for now. And I just pray that whoever needs healing, not just sickness healing, but mentally, spiritually, and physically, whoever needs healing, that you guys will be healed along with me. That's why I like to share some verses that I go through, whatever I'm struggling with. But right now, it's this bad allergy. I just took some Zyrtec just now. I hope it stopped me from sneezing and tearing.
Even if the sky is falling down, jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we We get up and start from the ground.
Okay, guys, so if you need anything, if you need any prayers, leave it down in the comments below, and I'll definitely pray for you. And also, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and join the family, because it's fun in here.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
Okay, guys, so here's what we have so far. And I just want to say that I'm recording this voiceover on a Saturday, and I just want to report to you guys that my week last week was really good and productive. So I definitely enjoyed this weekly reset.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
Now that the fridge are clean, it's ready for me to organize everything after my sprout run, like the vegetables and fruits and other recipes that I got. So that's why I like to clean it on a weekly basis, so that it'll be nice and clean when I stock up on stuff.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars.
My husband doesn't like it when I do the dishwasher, because he said that I don't put it the right way and that it doesn't fit like the whole thing. So that's why he doesn't like it when I do it. And you'll see him here, he's like, oh man. But oh well.
high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
And here's the after shot of the kitchen area. And later on, I will share with you guys the garage as well, because my husband set it up for me as well.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you.
Okay guys, so here's the garage. He cleaned it up for me, mopped the floors and stuff like that, and he also put like a rubber under my treadmill because it was like unbalanced or something. And also finally, after how many months of getting the rope, he finally added this hook, and now I can finally use the rope when I get a chance to work out. But I love this for cardio and mixed with like the running or just jogging on the treadmill. So this is the last part that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. Pretty much the living room was clean, and so I'm just setting up the couch, and that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to your girl. It helps the channel a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do?